From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Welcome. Emboldened by the support from a section of the church, and I repeat, emboldened by support from a section of the church, Bishop Franco Mulakal, the man accused of raping a nun 13 times in 2 years, has come out and in fact launched an all-out slander campaign. The cover-up couldn't be clearer. There's national anger to ensure justice for the Kerala nun.
On The Debate tonight, one Kerala nun is fighting the system. The slander campaign continues.
I am saying that I am innocent based on the truth. The accusation is false, baseless, and it is a concocted story made everyone to believe as something which has happened.
Now, can you touch your heart? Can you touch your conscience and say that you're innocent?
I have not raped her, not only her, any other woman in this world. If anyone can stand up and say that I had raped anybody, give me death sentence. And if my memory is right, I think I might have gone there maybe, night I might have stayed there only 8 or 9 times. So this 13 times itself is contradictory. 2016 November, where a lady from Delhi came to Jalandhar and accused the complainant having illicit relationship with her husband.
5 crore to buy silence.
ആദ്യം എനിക്ക് 5 കോടി രൂപയാണ് ഇവർ ഓഫറായിട്ട് വന്നത്. ആ ഓഫർ ഞങ്ങൾ നിരസിക്കുകയും ഞങ്ങൾ കേസുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോവുകയും പറഞ്ഞു. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാണ് അവർ ആദ്യമായി എൻ്റെ പെങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ വന്ന് വധഭീഷണി മുഴക്കിയത്.
Is there an institutionalized cover-up bid? Let's debate.
Monica Arora, essentially there is a coming together of ranks right now. There's a defiance. There is this feeling I get, Vasundhara, Monica Arora, Yogita Bhayana and Priyanka Tribhuwal. There is a sense I get that the church has decided we will do nothing, we will protect him, he will remain a bishop, the nun will be character assassinated, she will be called a prostitute, she will be punished for speaking up, the nun will be allowed to carry out a slander campaign, and if anyone dares to speak, then we will make it a question of religion. Monica Arora, then we will make it an issue of religion, that you're attacking our religion. It's as clear as that. Now let's debate. Sumit Nath, Kevin Matthews and Sunit Chopra on the other side. Go on. What do you think? Monica, you want to start?
Yes, Arnab. Arnab, the question which was coming to my mind is that will she ever get justice?
She won't.
Look at the power she's pitted
These
against.
people won't let that happen.
She's pitted against the church.
Not from the church.
The police, the state.
She won't get justice from the church.
And here is the church who never noticed her complaint. Here is the police who has registered FIR but refuses to arrest. Here is the state which seems to be hand in gloves with the church, the police and the legislators. You saw PC George calling her a prostitute. Now there are attempts to bribe her, to threaten her. Will she ever get justice here? And there is a proper vilification campaign against her by the institutions she's pitted against. Think of her, think of other nuns who are waiting to see what happens to this particular nun. Yes. She is being raped repeatedly in public domain by the institutions, I'll say.
Sumit Nath, this is, if you made it an ego issue out here,
Okay.
As in, if the church
Yeah.
and all the Christian groups have decided that we'll make it an ego issue, if you want to dare, then I have only one question for you. Everyone's asking you this. Why did you speak about Asaram? What is the difference between Asaram and this bishop? Why did you speak about Gurmeet Ram Rahim, right? Vasundhara Pathak Masuri, the same people. And by the way, I also want to tell you, Vasundhara, that the same people who call themselves liberal in the case of Asaram are sort of just saying one thing in this case and quickly moving off. There is no genuine campaign. There is no candlelight vision.
Hypocrisy.
Complete hypocrisy.
Sheer hypocrisy.
Yeah. Am I wrong
Arnab,
here?
if you let me
One rule
answer
for
this
Asaram,
question.
one rule
It's
for
a
the bishop.
It's a sheer.
No, absolutely.
Not at all. It's
No,
it's a
absolutely
sheer
not.
hypocrisy.
It's one and the same for
and I
both
must,
of them.
Let me answer.
See, I'll...
No, I
If
have
you
been,
let me
I
answer
have
this
been
question,
directed
please.
a question. Let me answer. Do
Vasundhara.
not intervene. No, the question has been, no, it's directed to me. Let me answer. See, it's in the very first instance,
I
let me
think it was
mention
directed to
it's
me.
somewhere the feeling of deja vu. We have witnessed previously that how in case of Asaram, whether the self-styled or self-acclaimed the gods, the dharam gurus, the Maulanas, how these people have been involved in committing similar kind of sexual offences against their own, either the disciples or the ones who are inferior to them. So this is a kind of deja vu. I'm saying it's a complete replication of what we have been witnessing. Now further as we move on, then they try, you see,
But
we
yes,
need
they
to
were all brought to
understand.
justice. They were all punished, weren't they?
There is a deliberate vilification campaign. There is a deliberate defaming. There is a deliberate shaming of the victim, the survivor. They have unleashed all sorts of sources and all sorts of weapons in their armory to make sure that the case is somewhere subverted, the investigation is somewhere sabotaged. And they have tried all their level best to bribe the victim, to make sure that the church here, see again here, the garb of religion, the help of religious organization, to prove yourself as a holy cow, and by defaming the victim, what do you want to prove? Is it not a sheer hypocrisy? Why don't they come up and stay together, and they challenge the authority of the entire organizational structure,
Yeah, I think-
the hierarchy
I
of
think
the
one
church
thing we'll
in
have
this
to
manner,
understand.
where a bishop is
Madam,
treated
let me
differently,
explain
a
to you
nun
if
is
you will
treated
understand, please.
differently, a bishop is treated at a higher
Yes.
pedestal, and a nun is treated at a
See,
lower
listen,
and an inferior pedestal.
Madam,
What is this?
Let it put
No,
it
no,
this
no,
way.
no. I want to come in with one point, Sumit Nath, before you come in.
Let
I'm
me-
just
let me-
making one intervention
What will
because
you say?
I
The
want
nun
people to
has
think.
been questioned 10 times. The bishop has been questioned only at once. This is what you have to say to the world tonight.
Can I add one point to that, Vasundhara?
Why
You
is
know,
that
Vasundhara,
the nun has been
Vasundhara,
questioned 10 times, though
Vasundhara,
she is a victim,
Vasundhara,
and the bishop
Vasundhara.
has been questioned only at one time?
Vasundhara Pathak Masudi, you know the same people who say that dirt has entered the Hindu religion because of people like Asaram. And they talk about how the Hindu religion is being corrupted because of people like Asaram. Priyanka Tibrewal is there. Priyanka, I'm coming to you. You can debate with Sumit Nath, but I'm just making a small point. My point is, in this country, you have one rule for Tarun Tejpal and one rule for Asaram. Tarun Tejpal's close group of people never consider him to be a person accused of rape because you see, he's part of the quote-unquote Litfest circuit. So there's one rule for Tarun Tejpal, one rule for Asaram, one rule for Gurmeet Ram Rahim, one rule for the bishop. Why?
Now,
Why? Why should there be one rule for that
there's no
R.K.
rule.
Pachori?
Can I come in now?
Why should there be one rule for R.K. Pachori, Tarun Tejpal and the bishop? And one rule for Asaram and
there
Gurmeet
is
Ram
no other
Rahim?
rule. There is no
See,
other rule, Arnab.
And Nirbhaya's
There is
rapists?
absolutely no rule.
There is hypocrisy in our country.
Yeah. Would you let me come in now?
No, I am saying that there is hypocrisy in this country.
Would you let me come
All
in now,
people
please?
should be targeted equally.
No, absolutely, there should be. See, now let me
I
answer
would
the
like to.
question
I would
very
like to.
categorically.
I would like to intervene here.
As I said,
I would like to intervene here and say why should there be any kinds of rules? Why should there be any kind of rules? Every day we are seeing that new laws are being made, the laws are being amended to empower women in our country. And then when a woman tries and she comes up and even without even thinking that she will be put to shame, when she tries and says something, now the question rises on her, the onus falls on her to prove whether she was raped or not. And then we have MLAs like this who on a public forum, on a public platform in front of the media, they have the audacity to call a woman a prostitute just because she has raised her voice.
And they are calling...
I think all the women who are watching me now, in each and every state, an FIR should be registered against such an MLA.
I agree.
How dare he have an audacity to put such a question and a question mark? Yes, of course, how dare he has the audacity?
I agree too. I agree
And
too.
the people who are just saying that it should not be a media trial, we should not judge. Why are they quiet? Why aren't we raising questions on this MLA?
PC George should be arrested immediately, no doubt about it. I have not heard a more absurd, sexist, insolent man as PC George. My question is, in our country, there is one rule for Tarun Tejpal, PC George, the bishop, and another rule for Asaram, one rule for RK Pachauri, because he's close to all the owners of the media companies in Lutyens, Delhi, and one rule for Gurmeet Ram Rahim. And you think it sounds rude if I tell you this straight question? Sumit Nath, tell me here, this rape-accused bishop is saying that the nun, he accuses the nun of having an illicit relationship. He's raising questions on the nun. There is victim shaming going on here. I'm sorry, but what are you doing? All you people who hold positions in church associations.
Why this distinction? He should have been arrested. He should have been arrested. See, the initial report which was filed before the single
I am asking all good Christians in this country. I am asking all good Christians in this country that remember this bishop is holding on to his post. This bishop is...
There is enough material.
Okay, Kevin. Kevin and Priyanka.
Committed. So when there is enough material, why isn't he being arrested?
Because he says I'm a bishop. You can't touch me.
One quick point. There is one difference between Asharam Bapu and Gurmeet Ram Rahim and the bishop. The bishop has not been yet pronounced guilty by a court of law, and that is one point which we should all see. Today, taking his statements today, he has come out and said that
Vasundhara, Monica and Vasundhara,
if the court of law pronounces him
justice
guilty,
system.
he should definitely.
You are not allowing the investigation to take place impartially. You are interfering with the criminal justice system. Any other person, after 2.5 months of lodging of FIR, would have been arrested. Just because he's a bishop, he's getting a clean chit from institutions. The state is going slow on it. The victim clearly says that she has no faith in the IGP and the DG. They are trying to give this investigation to crime branch.
Kevin Matthews, Sonny.
Two specific points.
Kevin Matthews, Sonny. Kevin Matthews.
You cannot equate one.
Kerala High Court directed the police to file an action-taken report. It's so shameful.
Kevin Matthews.
Police is not doing their duty.
Kevin Matthews.
Is not doing
Kevin
their duty.
Matthews.
The state is not doing their duty.
Kevin Matthews, you can debate with...
Yes, Arnab.
No, Kevin Matthews, I haven't got Yogita on the debate, but a question which I have here is, you see the Vatican. The Vatican is very concerned about India. According to the Vatican, India is the worst country in the world. They have to have prayers for India. India has gone down the drain. There is intolerance in India. It's a bad country. My question is, when it comes to their own bishop raping a nun, where is the Pope? Where is the Pope?
Because the Pope himself is involved and allegations are against the Pope also.
Rape is not a matter of religion. Rape is a matter of law. Rape is a crime and it has to be tried under Indian civil law, not Vatican law, not canonical law. Rape is not, the Vatican cannot dole out punishments, Vatican cannot jail him. It is the law of the land.
Those who are so-called bishops like Franco, what will they do? Pope himself has been charged.
Vasundhara. Vasundhara.
According to you, the bishop should not be arrested despite the fact this is the same law of the land. This is the same law of the land that you are challenging.
I never said that.
Once there is a clear-cut allegation of unnatural offence which has taken place against the victim by this bishop, and you say that he should not be arrested. On what ground do you say that he should not be arrested? You should be shameful with the fact that Honorable High Court of Kerala
Don't
had
put
to
words
intervene
into my
in this
mouth.
matter
I
and
never
to
said
give
the
the
bishop should
directions
not
to
be
the police
arrested.
to provide the ATRs in this particular case. What are you talking about?
My only
there has
point-
been
my
enormous
only words
pressure
were
over
that the
the
law of
police,
the
over
land
the
should
victim
prevail.
to
The
make the
procedure
entire
has
case
to be
weak.
followed. I never said that the bishop should be arrested. Please don't put words in
And
my
that
mouth.
is why you say that he should not be arrested. No, and this is, you say that law of the
Putting
land should
words in
prevail,
my
and that
mouth
is why
doesn't
you
serve
want
your
that he should not
point.
be arrested. Why are you sailing in two boats? Stick to one point. Either you support the law of the land or you support
Vasundhara,
the fact that
I
the
never
bishop
said
should
the
not be
second part.
arrested.
Madam,
Do
please
not
don't put
confuse
words in
your
your
own
my
words.
mouth.
Because one of the things which come to my mind.
You are contradicting. You
One
are
of the things which comes to my
contradicting
mind,
yourself.
and Ritu Bisaria will join us now. 1 minute.
This is a
1 minute.
democratic
Sunit
state.
Chopra.
You need to
Sunit Chopra.
understand India
Sunit
is
Chopra.
a democratic state.
Sunit Chopra.
In
Sunit
India, we
Chopra.
have a government
Sunit
for
Chopra.
the
Simple
people,
question.
by the people,
Simple
and
simple
on the
question.
hysteria,
Simple.
we have the rule of law.
Simple
And
question.
here, people of India, the
Simple
citizens
question.
of India are being made subject
Simple
to the
question.
laws of the land,
Simple.
irrespective of their caste, their color, their gender. Being a santri or a mantri hardly comes in the way of the rule of law.
course they are,
They
of
all
course
are
they are.
equally being made subject to the rule of
Who
law.
gave you the idea
and
they're
to the
not?
laws
Listen
of
to other
land.
people,
Who gave you
please.
the idea they're not? Of course, everyone is.
The religious color will not
Everyone
come to
is
your rescue
accountable
today.
to the law of the land.
The religious color,
anyone.
the religious color will not come to your rescue today. This is the irony we are having today. If you want
There is
to
no
justify
religious
your
color,
acts
madam.
of
You are
violence,
only
your
adding the
acts of
religious color
sexual
here.
offenses,
Okay.
you simply hide yourself under the
all
garb
right.
of a
So,
religious
all right. Sunit Chopra.
personality.
Sunit Chopra.
And the religious organizations
Sunit Chopra
come
and
to your
Priyanka.
rescue
Sunit Chopra and
start the
Priyanka.
vilification
Sunit Chopra and
campaign
Priyanka.
against-
Simple question. A nun speaks up about being raped for multiple years.
I would
It is
like
not
to-
something
I
to
would
laugh
like to-
about. There is no difference between Asaram and this bishop. There is no difference. In fact, the bishop is worse. The
Only
bishop. There is no
he is
difference.
not only that,
Prima
he is
facie-
like Sengar. But Sengar killed the father of the girl he raped.
What are you saying?
And Yogi Adityanath did not arrest him for a long time.
Sir, a nun has been.
Okay?
A nun has been
This is
raped
India.
multiple years by a
At
bishop.
least I think
Let
I
me
was
tell you.
expecting this. I was expecting this. I was expecting this. When Baba Ram Rahim was being arrested and the matter was going on, then everybody had their fingers on Modi. Everybody had their fingers on BJP, saying that no, because BJP gets a lot of support from him, so he will not be arrested. But after he was arrested, everybody was quiet. Everybody is quiet. So now today, who is this bishop? What big deal is he? He should have
This
been
man
arrested.
will also
Why
be
are the people
arrested.
quiet?
This man, stop being hysterical.
Oh when?
This man
Oh when? An
will
FIR
also
has,
be
the
arrested.
lady has given her
Let me
complaints
tell
2
you,
months back.
the
The
speaker
initial
in
report
the Kerala
reveals,
Assembly
the initial
has
report which
already
is filed
called
before the court
PC
reveals that
George
there is something.
to answer
There-
on what he has said. See, if you keep on screaming, you're not going to get anywhere. Stop being hysterical.
What do you
There
mean
is
stop
no
being
need to be
hysterical? What do you mean stop
We
being
have to
hysterical?
achieve justice.
I want to ask you. I want to ask
Yeah,
you
you
here.
are hysterical.
No, Sunit
Yes.
Chopra. Sunit Chopra.
And I don't want
Sunit
hysteria.
Chopra. Sunit Chopra.
Because
Let me
I
tell you
don't
about.
want
Let me tell you about.
vigilantes.
Let me.
Your
Like
missionaries,
God.
your missionaries are already
You are
claiming,
different
your
from
missionaries
the
are
God
already
of
claiming him to be an innocent and the women to be a prostitute. When you are calling the women a prostitute and when you
Not
say
at
that
all.
bishop is innocent, what is left? You have already conducted the trial. What is left? You have already
The
put her to
man-
shame saying that she's a prostitute.
Sumitnath,
And he
Sumitnath,
is
Are we here
innocent.
to make all
He comes from the word
wrong
of God and
assertions
she's
on
a
this debate?
prostitute.
Which missionary? Which missionary? I want to ask you, do not lie on a national debate. Which missionary has called?
This man, the bishop. You want to know the name?
You please call that name out.
The bishop, Bishop Franco. You want to know the name? You really don't know, Sumit?
There's an
This
MLA.
particular
The-
bishop,
the
Franco.
serial offender.
Bishop
missionaries
Franco.
of the Jesus
Bishop
congregation-
Franco.
The missionaries
Yeah, I'm
of
not
the
here to
Jesus
defend Franco.
congregations have
I'm
mentioned
not
it.
here to
It was
defend the
all over
bishop.
in the news.
All
They
I'm here
have
to
said
say is
that he is an
you're trying to
he is
discredit the
innocent.
church.
They have
The
said
church is a different and a much bigger entity than this bishop.
I'm sure he is. What is the church doing?
if,
Then what is
if
the
it
church
is,
doing?
then why not stand with the
Vasundhara,
women?
one sec. Vasundhara
The
is debating
truth
with you,
is out. Why
Sumit.
not stand-
My question is that what is the church
attention
doing?
from the real issue.
Then what is the church doing?
that the bishop should resign.
What is the church doing?
I'm sure you're aware of that.
What is the church doing? Has
I'm
the
sure
church
you're
made
aware
the
of
bishop
that.
resign? Has the church made the bishop resign? Why is he sitting on
The
that chair?
cardinal- See,
Why
the
is he?
church is not a court.
A
The
church is not a court, so the church won't do anything. You're saying this on national television, that a
It
bishop
cannot
rapes a nun,
pronounce a
and you're
sentence.
telling me on
Church is
national
not a court, so
television the church will do
why are
nothing
you
about
coming
it.
up with
Viewers
such
think,
kind of prejudiced statements against the victim?
See,
Why
the
are you
church
vilifying
will, of
her?
course,
If
any
church is
organization-
not the
I
court,
do
then
not
why the
speak
church
on
is
behalf of the
against the
Catholic
protest
Church
of the nuns
But what I'm
who
saying
are
is,
rightfully and
any
lawfully
church will
protesting in favor of
organize an internal
their
inquiry.
friend?
But the bishop is out
more-
there alone.
No,
defending
another
himself,
basic question
What
in this
kind
is,
of
right or wrong
what kind of
assertions, that is
internal
no, 1 minute,
inquiry?
another basic question which emerges
What
here.
kind of
And he's
just
alone
to
at this
A
point.
basic question which emerges here, Monica, one sec. A basic question which emerges here, and let me get Sunit Chopra on it. Viewers, one of the reasons this case is extremely interesting, and you must read up about this, is I want to know why Rahul Gandhi will never speak against the Vatican or Italy. Is it the Italian connection here? Asaram is not an Italian. Gurmeet
The
Ram Rahim is not an
Vatican has
Italian.
been attacking such predators
Really?
all over the world.
I would like to know.
Please don't give
And
wrong
the very
facts.
I would like to know.
Pinarayi
No,
government
one minute. Monica,
Chopra's
wait.
party is
Monica,
in
wait,
power.
Monica, please wait. Sunit Chopra, please tell me, when did Rahul Gandhi ever question Tarun Tejpal? Why they are from the same club? Did Rahul Gandhi question question
I'm not
R.K.
worried about
Pachauri?
Rahul Gandhi.
No, I am mentioning. So your leader
Frankly,
Sitaram
Rahul Gandhi-
Yechuri. Sitaram Yechuri. Did
The
Sitaram
R.K. Pachauri case was handled
Did Sitaram
quite well.
Yechuri question?
And I can tell
Did
you,
Sitaram Yechuri
even
question the
today,
following? Did Sitaram
MA
Yechuri?
Baby,
Did Sitaram
who is
Yechuri
from
question the
Kollam
following?
and
I
a
want to know from
Catholic.
Sitaram Yechuri, Mr.
MA
Yechuri,
Baby
Mr.
has
Yechuri,
stated
Mr.
that
Yechuri,
nobody
is
who
it
is a
secular?
sexual
Is it
predator
secular, Mr.
will be
Yechuri?
saved.
Sunit
And
Chopra?
he's a Politburo member of
Sunit Chopra, don't
CPIM.
shout. Superior, don't shout. Is it secular
No, you
to
have
rape
to be
a nun
told the
13
truth
times?
because you're hiding it.
Is it secular for a bishop to
Why
rape a
did you
nun?
not read baby's
Let me
statement today?
let me hurt your conscience a little more. Is it secular for a bishop to rape a nun?
You won't hurt my conscience.
I'm asking you.
You can't hurt my
I am
conscience.
asking you.
Because I'll deal with
Why are you not picking up the case? You want to go soft on all bishops? Because they will put out press releases
wants
saying,
to go
save the
soft
country
on
from
all the
Modi.
bishops? How do you
Because
know that
they
I
put
did
out the
not
press
contact
releases saying, save the
something
country from
from this?
Modi. I'm openly saying this today. You want to go soft on the bishops because they will
MA
say,
Baby
let's have
has
prayers on
given a
removing Modi.
statement in
Priyanka
today's
Tibrewal on
Hindu.
the debate. Let's talk
I'm
straight.
allowed to.
MA Baby.
And if I'm allowed to. And if I'm allowed to. They will be quiet now because it is not concerned with the Hindu Dharam Gurus. They will only speak. They will only speak when the question mark is there for some Hindu Dharam Guru. When the question mark is on BJP, they will only speak when it is in regard to a Dharam Guru who is from a Hindu community. They will only speak when it is something related to BJP. And they will not. Oh, who is secular? You are proving. You are proving that. You are
That's
proving
a straight
that.
question.
Now you are going to raise any questions when it comes
of
to
any kind. All
why
Dharam
no
Gurus are
questions?
corrupt.
Why no questions from your side? He will be arrested. He will be arrested. 74 days
Who
have
says
passed
there
after
are no
the
questions?
complaint.
There's action.
Why no
The
arrest?
Speaker of the
Why
no
Kerala
arrest?
Assembly has called PC.
What is
Kindly be
stopping?
truthful.
What is
I mean,
stopping?
there's nothing more
What is
disgusting
stopping
than
yours
people
No,
from raising your
I'll tell
voices?
you, the fact
Just
of the
because
matter
he
is,
is not a Hindu Dharam
the
Guru.
fact of the matter is, this
Just
is
because
being
he's
done. No,
not
no,
a
one
Hindu
minute.
Dharam Guru,
No,
right?
I'll tell you. You want me to be blunt about it, Priyanka? I'll tell you today. The truth is, viewers, there is a lobby.
Dharam
Are-
Guru
Yes, please.
is just like a
Listen,
Hindu
I am
Dharam
not,
Guru is
the
corrupt.
viewers, I'm asking you, do you think, you see, viewers, Tarun Tejpal did the lobby question? No.
And most
R.K.
Dharam
Pachori,
Gurus are corrupt
Tarun Tejpal
because
did the
they
lobby
use
question?
God
No.
to
Extremely
hide
close
behind
links with the
and
Congress
do
party.
their dirty deeds
Sonia
behind
Gandhi
the curtain.
lobbied for Tarun Tejpal. Did Sonia Gandhi ever talk about Tarun Tejpal's allegations of rape? No. That's secular rape. Did Sonia Gandhi ever talk about R.K. Pachori? No. It's secular
Well,
for
the
him to do
bishop
what he
has
did.
been dealt
Did
with.
Sonia Gandhi ever question the bishop? No.
bishop-
Sonia Gandhi will never question the Vatican.
bishop supports
Sonia
her.
Gandhi, for Sonia
And
Gandhi,
before-
Vatican is most important.
By these
Did
people
Sonia
of
Gandhi
the
question the
Kerala
Vatican?
Assembly.
Did she?
The National Commission on
I ask you here.
has called.
You are protecting an alleged rapist.
Okay, I ask you another question. Arnab,
Sumit
did Sonia
Nath.
Gandhi
And the
question
police-
Baba Ram Rahim?
Can I say something
Did
here?
Sonia Gandhi question Asaram?
Swami, I need
Was she involved? Did she intervene?
Yes. Repeatedly,
Why are
Congress
we
party
trying to
did press
politicize this
conferences.
issue?
And
It's a
rightly
crime.
so. Rightly so on Gurmeet Ram Rahim and Asaram. Then why is the same Congress party quiet when it comes to the Vatican? Tell me, Sumit Nath.
Yeah, I'm telling you very clearly. Did the Sonia Gandhi question Asaram?
Yes.
Did she question Baba
The
Ram
party
Rahim?
did. The
Why are
Congress
we
party
trying to
did
assert here
strongly.
that the Congress party
Not in
has
this
anything
case.
to do with the Christians.
Not in this case.
The Congress
Not
party has
in
got
this
nothing
case.
to do with the Christian
No,
church.
exactly. Thank you for
It's
making the
just
same
another
point that I
political
am.
Party.
Thank you for making the same point that I am. I'm making exactly the same
I very
point.
well remember, Arnab, I very well remember
Yeah, I'm just
that during the
clarifying our
time of
stand on
arrest
this.
of Baba Ram Rahim, this triple talaq issue was on. I remember, Arnab, this triple talaq issue was on during the arrest of Baba Ram Rahim, and then all the Dharam Gurus, the Muslim Dharam Gurus who were there, all the Maulanas sitting, they only questioned one thing, that it is only the Hindu Gurus who are doing this. So what is stopping you all now to speak? Why are you all quiet? Speak now. You all were fighting for women's rights, this and that.
I don't know.
Here is
Where you
also
get
women
the idea
involved.
that everybody's
Speak for our
quiet.
rights.
I think you're not aware that many Christian
No, no,
organizations have very strongly condemned.
Really, condemnation
words
से
that
क्या
were
होगा
uttered
Sumit
by
Nath?
an MLA in
Sumit
Kerala.
Nath,
People have clearly said.
Sumit Nath, let me tell you, suppose Asaram never went
Yes.
to,
Yes.
suppose Asaram never went to jail, and you were condemned, I condemn, everyone condemned. He would say, fine, carry on. That's what the bishop is doing, condemn,
Yes.
क्या कर लोगे? The attitude is, Kevin, what will you do? क्या कर लेंगे आप?
On the integrity of our nation.
Integrity
And
of our
having said that,
integrity of our nation, where does the bishop and the integrity of the nation come in? Why?
Sir, आप arrest की बात भी छोड़
Nation will be saved later on, sir.
Tell
no,
me,
let us
give me an
not
excuse.
let us
You
not
first talk about the
digress this
modesty of a
into
woman first.
what is between
You're
Christians and
sacrificing
Hindus
the
and
modesty of
Muslims.
the woman in the
There
name
has
of
been
religion.
an accusation of a rape. What has to be done there?
It's a criminal
Just justice been served.
does
Let us
not
keep. Let us
recognize
be
any
focused.
religion. Crime is a crime.
Let us stay focused.
Whether Ram
to the
Rahim
question at
commits it
hand.
or your
There has
bishop
been an
commits it.
accusation of a
But the
crime.
problem is the
Has
Pinarayi
justice
government is
prevailed?
siding
That
with
should
the
be our
bishop.
focus.
First vote bank politics. It has the might of church.
Whoever
It has the
commits
might
a
of
crime is
priests
a
behind
crime.
it. It's
But
only
madam,
words you are
it's
saying,
not your
sir.
word, it's the
You are
word of the judiciary that
you're
is-
repeatedly violating the modesty of this woman in public forums, calling her a prostitute. This is the Me Too moment for all the nuns in India. They want to say that all is not right within the Christian and the church institutions. For God's sake, help us. But what you people are doing is, you're not rising to the
Madam,
occasion.
please
The
don't
church
take
is
the
not
actions
coming
of
out and
one
saying,
man and
okay,
cast a
we'll
shade
conduct
upon
the
a larger
inquiry.
community.
For that time, we
Kevin,
suspend
no, Kevin,
the
I want to-
bishop.
Kevin,
we will
no
conduct
man-
the inquiry.
Kevin,
You're
yes.
not
Kevin, now
rising
let
up
me
to the occasion.
let me come to a more moot point.
You are
Kevin,
threatening and
listen to me.
trying to
Kevin,
bribe the victim.
Kevin, you are telling me about justice, that the church is not siding, etc. I'm sorry to tell you,
Yeah, I'm
and
listening,
Priyanka
Arnab.
is back on the debate with you, and Vasundhara can also be, that the nun, right? The nun wrote to the apostolic Nunkiacha, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, in Delhi, which is officially designated to India as a representative of the Vatican on 28 January 2018. So the nun approached the Vatican in January 2018. Vatican did nothing, which means Vatican said, fine, you've been raped. What can I do? Carry on. The letter was written that she approached the Vatican in January 2018. No, I'm sorry.
Submission to
What
you.
did the
This I've been
Vatican
saying
do?
this from the start.
I'm sorry, what did the Vatican do? At the same time, the Vatican, exactly around the same time, 1 month earlier, the same bishops all over India were saying, you know, get involved, save the country from nationalist forces, elections are happening, Modi government will come back. So politically, the Vatican was very busy through its various appendages in India. But when a nun wrote to the Vatican representative on 28th January 2018, why is it that the section of the church machinery and the Vatican turned a blind eye to her plight, refused to intervene in the matter? Tell me, very specific question. Priyanka and Kevin, please debate with me. And tell me, Why? Is rape okay?
Yeah, so that is what I'm saying. Does it take 74 days?
See,
Does it take 74 days to get any kind of justice from anywhere?
One point here. See, as I've been saying...
No. Yeah, tell me.
Arnab, one quick question back to you.
To me.
Do you want Bishop Franco to be tried under Indian penal law or canonical law? One question to you. As a citizen, do you want Franco Mullaikal to be tried under Indian penal code and Indian civil law or the canonical law?
Listen, it's an absurd question to ask.
Arnab, the question is towards you.
I heard your question. Don't repeat it a second or third time. It's a blissfully unaware and ignorant kind of question which you're asking. I'm an Indian, yeah, of course Indian law. But where in the Indian law is it written that you can rape a nun and continue to sit in office?
Okay, so this Indian law and this person, Franco Mullaikal, has come up in front of Indian media today, and he has also submitted that he is also willing to follow the Indian law. So let that prevail. It is not the Vatican that was to come in here.
Hello, 1 second. I have a counter question to ask you. Okay, Kevin, I will have to cut your argument into pieces on national television. Please don't mind.
I'm open, I'm all ears.
Please, I have a question for you, Kevin. Kevin Matthew Sunny, please tell me who appointed him bishop? The President of India?
No.
The Chief of Army Staff?
Yep.
Who appointed him? Who appointed him? Priyanka, tell me who appointed him? I appointed him. No. President of India appointed him. Narendra Modi appointed him.
See now...
The church.
No, then the church has to remove him. Answer. You got your answer, no?
Now they
Silly
will
questions you ask.
They will run around, round and round because they have nothing to answer. You see, the bishop sitting in such a powerful position, he is a dominant personality. That is the reason. That is the reason. The police is quiet, the officers are quiet, the DSP is quiet.
And that goes both ways.
This nun, she has...
Once...
No, what's So Suni Chopra is on the debate. Let's have more on the debate, please. Suni Chopra. Suni Chopra, why are you getting...
He'll face the law.
It is the missionaries.
He'll face the law. He must.
What are they doing about the MLA who's saying that 13 times she has had fun and on the 14th time she is complaining? Why no action against him?
The MLA has been called to answer by the Speaker of the Kerala Assembly, and he will be punished for it.
Why don't you have the guts to have a press conference, Sunit?
I am sorry, but the answer will not be given by him to the speakers.
Patak Masoodi on the right. Four minutes.
For outraging the modesty of a women. An FIR
in Kerala, why the police in Kerala has
He is not answerable because he has not said this in the assembly. He said about this women on a public forum. On a public forum he has said this.
Okay, here's one more question. Answer
me.
The police in Kerala, they stated, I heard them today. The police in Kerala was stated by the family to have done a good job.
Vasundhara, I can't hear Vasundhara.
Hurt to the sentiment of a particular community. Why the police has failed to register the case against him under the relevant provisions of IPC and to arrest him? Why is it so? It's just a hogwash. It's an eyewash that he's been called upon by the speaker. I'm not ready to buy your this argument. The investigation is going on a very there is a concentrated effort to survive.
I feel also, you see, the question is also, you can come in after 1 minute. Listen to me. Viewers, I wish to tell you, as you look at this case, I want to make one promise.
What has prevented the
I am not going to leave this bishop or whatever his name, Franco he is. Listen.
There is a magnified intention behind this to assassinate the reputation of the bishop. This bishop is equally innocent because what is rape? Define rape.
What nullified intention you're talking about? You still call it a nullified intention where he has been taken only once,
it is the
and the man who is a victim, who is a survivor, who has suffered
the bishop is also a victim. Let's understand this case. Don't beat around the bush. Don't shout.
Where the investigation is completely going on a snail's pace, where there is a vilification campaign, there is a concentrated campaign going against the nun, where there is a concentrated effort being made to subvert the entire investigation. There is a complete interference by the state
an employer, why the church did not start an inquiry against the bishop? Why did not suspend him? Why he did not suspend him? Send him on leave, sir. Everything is not right with you. You know that one complaint entertained, the others will also come and complain. They'll have their Me Too movement here.
I think we really need to understand the definition of the term accused.
Please don't defend him in the name of
Bisaria is a men's rights activist.
Bisaria. She's also a Christian.
Bisaria.
Stand by her.
See, he is a reputed bishop.
Bisaria and Priyanka Tibrewal. Bisaria and Priyanka Tibrewal. Bisaria and Priyanka Tibrewal now, please.
What are you trying to say? He's a reputed bishop.
Whatever people are reading in
What
media.
are you trying to say? That he's a reputed bishop? You are predetermined. You have
Come on,
decided.
how?
You have
He's still an
already
accused.
decided that the bishop can't be
still
wrong.
an accused.
You are with the thought.
As per the principle
you
of
are with
natural
the thought.
justice,
You have already decided.
He is innocent till proven guilty.
Bisaria is a men's rights activist.
He is innocent
Priyanka.
till proven guilty, but you all are already with a predetermined mind. You all have decided that he is innocent. That is why you all are saying on the platform that no, he is innocent.
There are panelists who have already decided you are probably decided that he is not an accused, he's a convict instead.
No,
Is that correct?
I'm not
When
saying
you
that.
wanted
I'm
to
not
follow
saying that.
IPC,
Bisaria.
are we kind of just ignoring? No, are we just ignoring the principle of natural justice? He is innocent till proven guilty. At least let the law follow its course.
Okay.
Everyone is naming him
Absolutely. I have a question here. I have a question here. What about the report? What about the report which was placed before the court, the initial investigation? The report says that the initial investigations which were conducted reveals that the bishop is involved in the crime, that he is involved in the offense. So what about that report? Why certainly the investigations are changing?
Does that mean
why
he's
the rules are
convicted?
changing? Why are they being influenced?
Does that mean he's convicted?
Listen.
Does that mean he's
Bisaria, I go back to the debate. You're not getting the point, so I'll go to everyone on the debate. Sunit Chopra, 1 minute. Now I need to speak for a minute. First of all, Mr. Bisaria, you are a men's rights activist. So you are a biased party here. Rajshekaran, stop shouting. Just because you've left Kamal Hassan doesn't mean you take off your frustration here on the program. Listen to me. My question is out here. My question is here. I don't want to be rude. You're forcing me to be rude. Yeah, you're not understanding. I'm going to take on Kevin Matthew. Kevin Matthew, listen to me. Kevin Matthew, this fellow Franco Mulakal or whatever his name is.
Do you call feminists as biased?
Franco Mulakal, who, as far as I'm concerned, seems to be a dangerous character. You know what he says? He says, those doing this are anti-church. They are using the sisters against the church. And I want to ask you,
this is their
in which, suppose Asaram said, Vasundhara, let me tell you, suppose Asaram said, this is anti-Hinduism.
Arnab.
No, 1 minute, please wait, Matthew, listen to me. Matthew,
I am not questioning both. I am only...
Matthew, listen to me. No, why are you so impatient?
Yes.
People like you, when I take you on, why do you get impatient?
Arnab,
why do you get impatient? Listen to me. In which world can a man accused of rape?
You need to understand that these are their age-old tactics. Wherever there is an allegation of a sexual offense
now I'm getting impatient because I cannot hear you.
Religious group or an organization.
It seems like you've gone in a radio or a show.
In their hand is
Madam,
to say that this is against a particular religion. So these are the age-old tactics. And I must tell you, the dirty Lenin, the heap of the dirty Lenin, what we have been witnessing over these years is much, much greater and much higher than any possible stretch of imagination.
Okay, Vasundhara.
And for that I must say
Yogita,
that all the respective high courts in this country, they must take suo motu cognizance of such kind of
Yogita. Can I, Vasundhara, I want to get Yogita to debate with Rajshekaran for a minute. The question here is, please tell me, Rajshekaran used to be a lawyer before he became a politician. In which constitution or IPC or holy book can a man parading about in religious robes and accused of rape give public statements, to use religion to defend an act of rape? Tell me one case where you use religion to defend an act of rape. My problem is, and I appeal today to everyone, all good citizens, especially Christians, Christians across India, Christians across India, speak up against PC Church. Christians across India, speak up against the bishop. These people are denigrating your religion and using your religion. Do not be silent. We spoke up. Asaram was not allowed to misuse the Hindu religion. Why should this bishop be? Where is the Pope? Where is the Pope?
Asaram was convicted after
Nobody is
trial.
above the law.
This
He
is only
must
an
understand
allegation.
just
He
because
can be convicted,
doesn't make him biased and above the law. He might be having followers, blind followers, but this is where they take advantage of the victims. Just because people follow them, they make people do whatever they want to do. This is what he has done to the nun. And I'm telling you, Arnab, this is just tip of the iceberg. We are seeing this nun has come forward. There are many more being exploited even further down. So they will not get courage because this case will not meet the fate. And there are many more to come out. So wait for the right timings. You will see. When head office, the Pope itself has been alleged, has been involved in the sexual violence cases. So you can imagine what the followers must be doing. So you have to see many more cases coming up. I bet you here on your channel right now.
If found guilty.
If found guilty.
But all I'm trying to say is, there's a difference between this Bishop Franco.
Why are you judging him right now? You yourself said. Why are you saying if found guilty?
The church
why are you using these words?
Any criminal.
In the new law, whatever the victim is saying has to be taken as it is.
Suppression
if she's saying she's been raped, it has to be investigated like that. You are judging the victim rather.
Any amount of shouting on your part will not turn the truth upside down. The Christians of this country want a fair trial.
The truth is
they want the man punished if
it's
found
a fact
guilty.
that she's been exploited.
If this bishop is guilty, he should be punished. He should be hanged. And our hearts go out for the victim.
At least speak up. Why took you 77 days to speak up? Why are you telling us now? Why?
But at the same
don't
time,
be smart enough.
I wish to say that do not
politics. Don't play the communal card
the
here.
church.
Vasundhara, louder.
The Christians, take your statement back. I strongly object to your statement.
Crime syndicate.
I strongly object to this man's statement. I strongly object to your statement. What do you mean by Christians of this country? Why you want to play the communal card here? Why you want to play the communal victim card here? You take your statement back. Why do you say that the Christians of this country want a fair? Is that nun not a Christian? Answer me. Is that nun not a Christian? Answer me.
Christian
we need to understand, Mr. Goswami, this is India's own spotlight moment. The issue which was covered by the Oscar-winning movie, the child sex abuse in the spotlight, and the criminal silence of the church. This is exactly what India is witnessing today. And these people who are trying to play the communal card under the garb of their religious, organizational, sentimental, statements, they are not going to get anything out of that. But you must take your statement back, sir. I object to your
questions. You just want to shout.
I wish to bring in another point now between Sunit Chopra and Priyanka Tibrewal. Sunit Chopra and Priyanka.
They have no logic.
Sunit and Priyanka will have 2 versus 2 debate, please, right now on the program. And please, you'll have to hear each other. You know, such hypocrisy, such hypocrisy. I tell you, people of India are watching and they will not forgive you. Sitaram Yechuri and Rahul Gandhi have gone completely silent on this case.
Know who the hypocrites are.
Yeah. They are silent. Those who are silent about the rape of the nun are the hypocrites.
They will be silent because there are very few months left for the 2019 election.
And you need the Vatican support.
One is the communal card, the other is the vote bank politics.
And they will lose.
The other is the vote bank politics, which they are waiting for 2019. That is why if they get the Pope arrested or if they speak against the Pope, they lose on the votes. And that is where they want to take a chance to have a nice dance. That is why the Pope is not being arrested. That That is why they are not speaking anything against the Pope. Because they know very well that by playing this communal card, they will be able to gain something in 2019. That is why Rahul Gandhi speaks on each and every issue. Even Rahul Gandhi speaks on what Modi ji has had today for breakfast till what he has for dinner. He has time to speak so much, but he doesn't have time to speak on such an important issue. That is the question. Why? So it clearly shows the communal. You want to play the communal card. You want to do your vote bank politics.
No. When a rape is a rape, no, there can be no mercy. No. Why is this being treated? No. Why? One minute, Rajshekharan, please wait. Since you've spoken as a lawyer to me, listen to me right now. My question is simple. Since you're a lawyer, let me ask you one thing. Today, the nun's brother spoke to Republic TV about the church and said, at first they offered me 5 crores for which we refused and decided to move forward with the case. And after this, they came to my house and said they will offer land or property. Answer me, is this alleged bribing for taking back a rape complaint? I can hear you.
What is the evidence that he is the brother of the nun? It can be some X, Y or Z in the guise of the nun's brother.
What do you mean?
Where is the...
What do you mean?
Nobody showed his face.
What do you mean?
So
for your
this
information...
is a planted story. It is a planted story.
How do you know this? The bribery according to IPC is defined by a person...
It is coming from the victim is planted. The victim herself.
To malign the institution.
Everything coming from the victim is planted. When you all have already ascertained, you all have said that she is a prostitute. So now everything will be planted by her. Because you all have already said that the bishop is an innocent guy. He is a very prestigious, powerful man. So he is innocent in your
Look at the seriousness of the issue.
He is a religious head.
No, according to you, why do you have selective amnesia in your logic?
You are not ready to see.
I am asking you today, this is a question of justice.
This is Arnab Goswami's Republic TV.
So,
please understand, this is not Kolkata High Court to argue. This is
I am not claiming any special rights.
Let us speak the facts.
I am not claiming...
I will argue where I have to, and you do not have to tell me where I am sitting and what I am doing. I very well understand what to do. When you have nothing right to speak, you are scared to speak. Speak if you are correct, and do not tell me where I need to argue and where I don't need to. I do not need to learn from you, because people like you will predetermined. You all are predetermined. You all have already decided that he is innocent. Don't try to put words in other people's mouths.
No, one minute.
You are trying to change.
I want to get back Kevin on the debate. Kevin Matthew. People have very, very, very strong views on this subject.
Yes,
and let me tell you, you must know this, Kevin. You must know this, Kevin, that I fought the hardest and our channel fought the hardest in all the cases. Me and my journalists, in the case of Asaram, in the case of Gurmeet Ram Rahim, we fought. And we actually said that these individuals must not be allowed to play the religion card. And we said that all Hindus must not allow these individuals to play the religion card. Because if that happens, that every single person, all these scoundrels will get away. In this case, I am saying, you came on my show yesterday, speaking about Franco Molakal, you said, until the judiciary convicts him, you said, he remains an accused, and that goes both ways. No, Kevin, listen to me. Kevin, listen to me. You said yesterday, please, Kevin, you said unless the judiciary convicts him, he remains an accused, that goes both ways. I am asking you, is publicly shaming the alleged victim your version of justice? Is shaming the accused and accusing her of illicit relationships your version of justice? You're going to drag a alleged rape victim's name in the mud. You're going to attack her personally. Is that your idea of justice? And you want to question it here today? Why are people not speaking up? Where is the Vatican?
See, there are
where is the Vatican?
The two parties in this.
Where is the Vatican? The Vatican had a complaint in.
It's not.
Where is the Vatican?
It's not the Vatican. It's not about the Vatican.
Of course, it's about the Vatican. Of course, it's about the Vatican. Monica is back on the debate. It's about the Vatican. Vatican.
The churches and the institutions.
The question you should be asking
today, supposing a rape incident takes place.
Is not concerned about what's happening to its nuns who have devoted their entire life to the service of Jesus and God. Are they not concerned with the ladies? Are they not concerned if a woman says, their nun says that a bishop has raped? Should Vatican not have instituted an inquiry, directed Indian churches to have an inquiry against this bishop?
Arnab,
should not have directed this bishop should be removed from here? Should not have denounced Mr. P.C. George? So where are your bona fide? Where's your bona fide? Do you not think that they should cleanse their system from within? The nuns have dedicated and devoted their entire life in the service of God. So will you demonize them?
Sumit
Will
Nath.
you threaten them? Will you
Sumit Nath.
bribe them? The nuns also, their relatives also.
All
Is
I'm
this
trying to
just
say
on
is,
your part? And you talk about love for the
a few
humanity.
days ago,
Have
we were
some love for your
talking
nun.
about a nun,
Have some
and
love
we were
for
saying,
this sister
and we
of
were
yours.
saying that she stole
You're
children.
giving clean chit
And now
to
we're
that
saying
man who's
there's a nun
accused
who's
of
dedicated
rape.
her life. See, what
Allow
I'm
the
saying
criminal
is,
justice system to take its course,
every religious
sir.
organization,
You people are very
including the
powerful.
church, needs to be very careful about what kind of people have infiltrated their organizations.
What do you mean?
There is nobody who can be completely vindicated, neither the bishop, nor can we say that the nun is completely, after the trial, one of them is going to be put to shame. And I hope, and my heart goes out to the victim who is
I
pained
just
and
want to
wronged.
say something.
And if the bishop
that
has demeaned her in any way
I just want to
by
say
using
something
slander,
that there was so
I
much of an
think
emergency
it is a very
situation,
detestable thing to
a
do.
situation of
Nobody
emergency
in
and
this country
partners
has
had
a business
aroused
to
when the
demean a
Kathua
woman.
case came up.
I-
When the Kathua rape
why are you
case
saying
came up,
Sunit Chopra, Sunit
when the
Chopra.
Kathua case-
Sunit Chopra,
when the
Sunit
Kathua
Chopra on the
rape
Kathua
came
case.
up, everything was very quick, very fast. Everybody wanted to do everything and then play the communal card there.
It was
the
not
situation
very
was
fast.
so quick.
The
investigation
lawyer of the
process
rapist
was running
has
like
now
anything. So
become
why not
Sunit,
now?
Sunit, that's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point.
Is he God?
That's a good point.
So why are you trying to give him that kind of a stature?
I want to leave a thought here. In the case of Kathua and Unnao, I just want to make one point. In the case of Kathua and Unnao, Priyanka is correct. In the case of Kathua and Unnao, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi took out a dramatic midnight march to India Gate, right? Vasundhara, one point. Vasundhara, one point. In the case of Kathua, in the case of Kathua and Unnao, all the opposition parties carried out a midnight march to India Gate for justice for the victim. In this case, because they don't want to upset the Vatican, they've all become quiet. I'm making this point openly. This is as much a case for justice, and justice will not happen if the hypocrisy is not exposed. We'll track this. We will get justice for the nun. Thank you for watching me, and I'll see you at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.